Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am taking a look at Gold Rain EA for MT4, an automated trading robot available on the MQL5 Marketplace. Right away on the Marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor is developed by Natalia Sopina and is currently listed at a price of $60. The current version shown is version 1.0 and it comes with 10 activations. According to the developer, Gold Rain is designed as a fully automated trading system intended for around-the-clock trading during the trading week. It supports all trading instruments, although the developer specifically recommends using it on XAU-USD, Euro-USD, and GER30. That's the Germany 30 cash index. Now, when it comes to chart time frames, the EA can technically work on any time frame, but the recommended options are M30 and H1. The developer also notes that trading is available 24 hours a day during the trading week, although limiting trading activity during nighttime hours may be beneficial when spreads become wider. Looking further into the description, the strategy is explained as a scalping approach that trades breakouts of strong price levels. Those levels are identified using a built-in indicator. One important detail highlighted by the developer is that the EA does not use martingale, grid trading, or averaging techniques. All right, which is something many traders like to check before evaluating an automated strategy. Now, moving into the settings section, there are quite a few options available for customization. Trading hours can be controlled through the start and stop time parameters, allowing traders to define exactly when the EA is allowed to enter the market. There are also separate take profit and stop loss settings, giving users direct control over risk and reward targets. Money management functionality is included as well. When enabled, position sizing is calculated based on available free margin. Alternatively, traders can disable money management and use a fixed lot size through the start lot setting. Additional parameters such as free margin and step lot provide further control over how trade volume is calculated. Risk management tools are also available through the break-even and trailing stop features. These settings allow positions to be protected once they move into profit, with customizable break-even levels, trailing intervals, and trailing steps. Now, other settings include slippage control, magic number management, and other comments, which can be useful for organization and execution management. Now, let us move over to the backtesting section and see how the EA performed during historical testing. As always, historical testing helps us understand how an expert advisor behaved under past market conditions, but it is important to remember that backtest results are not guarantees of future performance. I would also recommend running longer term testing yourself so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Okay, so now let us look at the provided strategy tester report here. I can see initial deposit $1,000, total net profit about 4,600 and over $4,600, and I can see here that the win rate seems to be 93.12%, 276 trades taken, out of which 257 were profitable. Okay. And the equity curve looks pretty interesting. Well, it's quite a steady growth over time. Okay. And then here I can see this is XAUUSD, also XAUUSD. All right. Let's just head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA, the gold vein EA, performed on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. And we are using the every tick modeling, by the way. All right. So looking at the results, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 17.37, and out of 31 trades taken, 28 were profitable, giving us a 90.32% win rate. And the largest profit was $1, largest loss was 21 cents, average profit 64 cents, average loss was 21 cents. So this gives us an excellent risk to reward ratio of approximately 1:3. All right, 1:3 is quite a nice one. Okay, but this EA seems to be targeting short-term price movement because largest profit was a whole $1, right? Out of $10,000 deposit. Anyways, let us quickly turn on the visuals. Let us see how the EA looks like in action. As always, historical testing helps us understand how an expert advisor behaved under past market conditions. But it is important to remember that backtest results are not guarantees of future performance. I would also recommend running longer term testing yourself so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Okay. Looking at the historical chart activity, the overall approach appears consistent with the developer's description of breakout based scalping. We can see here how, sell stop was placed and buy stop, was placed alongside those exit levels, right? So the EA is designed to identify strong price levels using its built-in indicator and then react when those levels are broken. Since the exact internal calculation of those levels is not disclosed, we can only evaluate the behavior through the historical trades, and chart activity that we can see. And the presence of stop loss, take profit, break even, and trailing stop functionality suggests that trade management plays an important role in how positions are handled after entry. The ability to customize these parameters also mean that historical results can vary significantly depending on the chosen settings. Looking at the overall historical testing performance, it is important to evaluate the balance between profitability, drawdown, consistency, and risk exposure rather than focusing on profits alone. Results can vary depending on broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, lot sizing, and optimization choices. Now, before considering live deployment, I would strongly encourage running additional testing on your own broker, experimenting with different risk settings, and verifying whether the performance characteristics align with your personal trading objectives. Overall, the Gold Vein EA offers a fully automated breakout scalping approach with flexible money management and trade management options. The absence of martingale, grid trading, and averaging techniques may appeal to traders looking for a more straightforward automated trading framework, but as always, independent testing and validation remain essential before making any live trading decisions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.